In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a backlog with ClickUp, making use of their handy template system. If you're looking to streamline your project management process and ensure nothing falls through the cracks, then this guide will provide you with a straightforward method to do just that. The beauty of ClickUp lies in its simplicity and the robust set of tools it provides, which are designed to help you stay on top of your tasks with ease. To get started, let's dive right in by utilizing ClickUp's search functionality. At the very top of your ClickUp workspace, you'll notice a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll type in templates to initiate your search. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to open the Template Center, and that's exactly where we want to head. Inside the Template Center, you'll be greeted by a variety of templates designed to cater to different needs. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but thankfully, there are filtering options on the left side of the screen. In this step, you'll want to filter the templates that specifically cater to your type of backlog. Simply type Backlog into the search field provided. You'll now see a selection of backlog templates available, each tailored for different purposes. Take your time to browse through these options and select the one that aligns most closely with your project requirements. Once you've made your choice, click on Use Template. This is when ClickUp allows personalization to truly come into play. You'll be prompted to name your new backlog template and decide its location within your existing workspace structure. It's important to be thoughtful here so that your new backlog integrates seamlessly into your current workflow. Additionally, ClickUp provides versatile import options. This means you can specify which fields you want to include, ensuring that your new backlog template contains only the information you deem necessary. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click Use Template once again to finalize the setup. And there you have it, a newly created backlog in ClickUp. However, before you consider the job done, remember that further customization can make your backlog even more effective. Spend some time tweaking and refining the template to suit your unique needs. This additional step can provide a more personalized experience and make sure that your backlog serves as a powerful tool in your project management arsenal. And that wraps up our guide on building a backlog in ClickUp. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your projects on track and ensure you're always one step ahead.